All right, folks, gather around. Let's talk about cryptocurrency. It's like the digital gold rush everyone's whispering about, but instead of pickaxes and pans, you've got ones and zeros. Essentially, cryptocurrency is digital money. You can't hold it in your hand, but you can use it to buy stuff online and increasingly in the real world too. One of the big deals about cryptocurrency is that it's decentralized. That means no single government or bank controls it. It's like the internet of money run by the people, for the people, hopefully. This also means transactions can happen directly between users, cutting out the middlemen and their pesky fees. Now, before you go investing your life savings in Dogecoin, remember this. Cryptocurrency is still in its early days. It's volatile, meaning the value can go up and down faster than a roller coaster at Six Flags. Our story begins in 2008, not with a bang, but with a white paper. A mysterious figure known only as Satoshi Nakamoto published a paper outlining a revolutionary new digital currency, Bitcoin. Nobody knew who this Nakamoto character was, and to this day their identity remains a secret. Some say it was a lone genius. Others whisper of a shadowy group of programmers. Either way, they unleashed something big. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, and it took the world by storm. It promised secure, anonymous transactions without the need for banks or governments. Early adopters were mostly tech-savvy folks, and let's be honest, a few folks up to no good on the dark web. After the 2008 financial crisis, people were fed up with traditional financial institutions. Bitcoin offered an alternative, a way to take back control of their money. Fast forward to today, and Bitcoin is a household name. Okay, so we've talked about digital money and shadowy creators, but what actually makes this whole cryptocurrency thing tick? Enter blockchain, the technology underpinning most cryptocurrencies. Imagine a giant digital ledger that keeps track of every single cryptocurrency transaction ever made. That's essentially what a blockchain is, but here's the catch. This ledger isn't stored in one place. It's copied and distributed across a network of computers all over the world. Every time someone sends or receives cryptocurrency, the transaction is added to a block of data. This block is then verified by multiple computers on the network and added to the blockchain, creating a permanent tamper-proof record. This decentralized, transparent system is what makes cryptocurrency so secure. Section 4, Crypto All-Stars Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the Gang. Now, Bitcoin might be the most famous cryptocurrency, but it's far from the only game in town. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own quirks and uses. Let's meet some of the big players, shall we? We've already covered Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency. It's like the digital gold standard, often seen as a store of value. Then there's Ethereum, the brainy cousin of Bitcoin. It's not just a currency, it's also a platform for building decentralized applications. Think of it as the Apple App Store of the crypto world. Section 5, diving into the digital wallet, buying and storing your crypto. So, you're ready to dip your toes into the crypto waters? First things first, you'll need a digital wallet. A digital wallet is basically an app that lets you store, send, and receive cryptocurrency. Think of it like your online bank account, but with more security measures. There are tons of different wallets out there, each with its own pros and cons. Some are better for beginners, while others offer more advanced features. Do your research, choose one that suits your needs, and keep your password safe. Now, for the main event buying cryptocurrency, you can buy it on cryptocurrency exchanges, which are basically online marketplaces for digital assets. It's like buying stocks, but instead of Apple or Amazon, you're buying Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once you've bought your crypto, it's important to store it securely. Section 6 Crypto's crystal ball, risks and rewards in the Wild West of finance. Now, before we wrap up this cryptocurrency crash course, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the risks. As I mentioned earlier, cryptocurrency is volatile, like really volatile. Its value can swing wildly, making it a risky investment. It's not for the faint of heart or those who can't stomach the financial equivalent of a roller coaster ride. Then there's the regulatory landscape, which is about as clear as mud. Governments around the world are still trying to figure out how to regulate cryptocurrency, and the rules can change quickly. But amidst the risks, there's also potential. Cryptocurrency has the potential to revolutionize finance, making it more accessible, efficient, and transparent.